Ayun o, good morning sa inyo lahat dyan. Sa lahat po ng mga followers ko dyan. Ayun. Pasensya na mga kaidol dahil medyo matagal na po kung hindi nakapag-upload dahil busy nga po sa trabaho sa island hopping mga kaidol dahil mahina po yung pangisda mga kaidol. So medyo hirap po mga kaidol kaya dito muna tayo magtsatsaga. At ayun, ayahan nyo po kung isama ko na rin po mga kaidol sa aking content at sa aking vlog mga kaidol. At samahan nyo po ako. At sana nandyan pa rin po kayo at suporta sa akin mga kaidol. Yan. So, yun mga kaidol. Yan mga kaidol, yung mga guests namin. Yan.
Hello, followers.
Followers.
Hi, Instagram, TikTok. It's beautiful in the Philippines.
Yes ma'am, it's a beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Yeah, your first time here, Philippines?
Yes.
So now you are going expedition?
Yes, it's the last day.
Just the last day, and then after this you're going
Go
to
to Quran.
Coron. Okay, so how about when you arrive in Coron, what you gonna do?
Go out.
Huh?
Go out.
Go out some
Party.
Yun mga kaidol, dito po tayo sa Pas Island mga kaidol. Yun, kasama po ang aking guest. Yan mga kaidol, nag-ainom siya. So sobrang ganda dito mga kaidol. Yan. So Sir Vic, Ma'am Marilo, so next time later when you come here, so we go together here also if you want. Okay, so you coming. Yeah. So welcome kayo mga kaidol kung gusto niyo bumisita dito. Kaya marami pong turista na pupunta dito mga kaidol. Ayan no. Sobrang init. Yan. So galing pa ng to season mga kaidol yung guest namin. Kinuha namin doon no. So yan po yung 5-star na resort. At yun binook lang po kami ng ng from this mga kaidol. Kaya yung kinuha namin yung guest, tumakbo po kami ng 1 oras at kalahati. So kasi mabilis-bilis kaya tumakbo lang naman kami ng 1 oras mga kaidol. Pero totally talaga pag tinakbo yan 1 oras at kalahati, minsan 2 oras pa. Kaya lang mabilis po yung bangka po na sinakyan ko kaya 1 oras na po yung tinakbo namin. Yan. So ito po yung aking mga guests. Hi sir, it's okay for you to get I will take a video. Yeah. What's your name sir?
Paul.
Paul?
Paul.
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 Paul. Nice to meet you sir.
Nice to meet you.
And ma'am?
Jill.
Jill?
Jill.
Nice to meet you again.
You get thank you.
Okay.
And Jerry, good captain.
Yeah, thank you
Good
sir.
Capitano.
Yeah. Thank you. Because I'm also creator. Small YouTuber.
creator.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. For your YouTube,
Yes sir.
Yeah.
I have YouTube channel. So that's name sir. The Oceanus Man.
the Ocean Man, Oceanus Man,
Yeah. Yes. Where are you from sir?
from UK,
UK.
from England.
England.
Long way.
It's very far.
Long,
Yeah.
27 hours.
Oh my god, it's very far.
From the time we leave here to home, 27 hours.
Wow.
But beautiful here.
But you're lucky huh?
Beautiful here.
Because you here very far.
Yeah.
We're lucky to be
Yeah. You know
You're lucky
Filipino
because you live here.
Filipino is hard to go your country because
Too far and too much.
too much, yeah, expensive also. Yeah. That's why all Philippines only stay here.
But you're lucky because this is beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're
And
lucky you can
Your
come
office.
here and not
This is
spend
your
all the
office.
money.
And very clear water also.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how many days stay here?
We go home on Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday we go home. We've been here 17 days. We're in El Nido before, out on an island, then El Nido town, and now Coron.
So
Been good,
we stay
really
here
2 more nights.
2 more nights, and then after
Go home, back
go
to UK.
back to UK.
Back to -4.
Cold.
-4.
Oh my God.
You'd love it. You'd
No.
love it.
You cannot. I'm die there.
You would die.
Yeah.
When
Because
when we were away, it's been down to -9 when we've been away.
oh my God.
-9, that's cold.
That is cold.
horrible.
You have nice, huh?
No
Very good.
sunglasses.
Nice sunglasses. Yeah. Thanks. That's expedition. Expedition. That one.
Expedition.
Yeah.
Oh, so they go to lots of little islands.
Yeah.
Is that the one that goes from El Nido to Coron? Or Coron
Yes,
to El Nido
yeah.
takes like 2 nights?
3 days and 2 nights.
Yeah, 3 days and 2 nights. I read
Yes.
about that.
Yeah.
They said the people who write about it said it's a really good way of travelling rather
way.
than the ferry.
Yeah.
Will that go across the big seas, okay?
No, it's okay. Big, it's a big boat.
Big boat.
No problem. Yeah. Yeah. Some people stay here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just okay.
Or maybe they not stay tonight, will they? They won't stay tonight, they'll move.
They move. They're going to Coron.
Oh, so last
Yeah,
stop,
last,
then
last,
Coron.
last stop.
Okay, so they're
Yeah.
coming from El Nido.
Yeah, and then after when arrive in Coron, so maybe tomorrow I think that's both going back. And
Yeah.
Lido and another guest
Yeah.
coming here.
Oh wow.
Yes.
I read a lot about that, about the 3 days, 2 nights.
Yeah.
And stop at many little
Yes,
islands.
many islands. So some of the islands seem like this.
Yeah.
Of the outside.
We see, because sometimes they have party here at night, because we could see from our room
Yeah.
the lights
And hear the music.
and hear the music.
the party.
3 nights ago, like party night. Not last night, but they have big party.
Yeah. So you have to rest. So yan mga kaidol, mag-stay po tayo ng halos 1 oras dito mga kaidol para po na-enjoy ng guest ang ating bayo mga kaidol. Pupunta na po tayo sa Manila Beach dahil napunta po tayo sa Bahala Island. Pupunta tayo ng Malcapuya mga kaidol. Oh. So yun mga kaidol, sobrang linaw ng dagat mga kaidol. Talagang kaalam mo parang kristal talaga. So mga kaidol Yan. So balik tayo sa ating bangka na cute na bangka mga kaidol. Yun, kasama ko mga kaidol, si Idol dyan. Nandito din. Yun no. Mahal? Ayun. Sobrang ganda mga kaidol. Yun no. So nandito na naman tayo mga kaidol sa Malcapuya. At nauna na po yung guest ko doon, bumaba na po. Puntahan ko lang po doon mga kaidol. Yan. So ito po yung tinatawag na Malcapuya mga kaidol. So wala pa masyadong guest. Maaga kasi kami nagdating. Yan. Dito yung mga bangka mga kaidol. Diyan daking kasi bawal kasi doon magdaking mga kaidol eh. Bawal magdunggo yung bangka doon. Sa harap ng beach talaga. Yeah. So dito lang po sa kami sa kabila pwedeng magdunggo mga kaidol. Yan, ito yung ano, may area din po na pangdungguan ng mga bangka dito bababa yung guys. Tapos dito po pupunta para pumunta doon sa pinakamagandang beach. Yan. Yan mga kaidol. Sobrang ganda mga kaidol oh. So yun Sir Vic, Ma'am Marilu, hindi pa natin to na puntahan. So next pagpunta nyo dito, nasa inyo po kung gusto nyo pong pumunta dito, Ma'am Sir. Yan. Init. Medyo tahimik ngayon mga kaidol. Wala masyadong gis. Wala pang dumating na ibang bangka eh. Grabe. Sobrang init din mga kaidol. Yun mga kaidol oh. Malayo pa yung dagat. Ganda ng Marcapuya. Kaya lang medyo malayo mga kaidol. Yan, shout out ulit pala kay from Lapu-Lapu. Sir, shout out sa inyo. Kamkaraji. Yan. Beautiful, right?
Beautiful.
See?
One very happy client.
Huh?
One very happy client. Jebby, very good.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Wow. Very clear water. Sobrang linaw mga kaidol oh. Sobrang ganda mga kaidol. So yung mga ibang guys mga kaidol nandun din sila. Gusto nila dun eh. Siguro gusto nila tahimik, mas tahimik. Pero tahimik naman dito mga kaidol. Yan. Gusto lang siguro nilang makapag experience doon sa dulo. Pero okay na po kami dito. Sabi ng guys ko, beautiful. Yan. Nice. Yan mga kaidol yung guys ko mga kaidol. So yun mga ka-idol, sa lahat po ng mga followers ko dyan, pasensya na po mga ka-idol. At alam ko po na inaabangan nyo palagi yung si Idol Glyza at si Idol Jimin. Si Idol Glyza ay busy po sa pagbabantay ni Jimin mga ka-idol sa kanyang school. At yun nga, dahil mahina po talaga yung pangisda mga ka-idol, so dito muna po ako part job mga ka-idol, for tourist mga ka-idol. At yung iba naman mga ka-idol ay mga followers ko na pumupunta dito. Kaya lang hindi po lahat. So welcome po kayo lahat ng mga followers dyan. And Sir Vic, Ma'am Marilu, so excited na po ako. So ngayong February, so nasa Hong Kong na po kayo. So ngayon dito naman po kayo sa Coron. So pangalawang balik nyo. Yan. So next tayo na naman Sir, Ma'am Marilu, shout out. So enjoy po dyan sa Hong Kong, sa tour nyo. So dito na naman po tayo sa next. So hintayin ko kayo dito Sir, Ma'am. Yan. And thank you din po sa Balikbayan Box po. Marami pong salamat sa pinadala nyo po. At may second box pa na inaantay. So salamat din po Ma'am, Sir. Ayun no. So maraming salamat po. So malaking tulong po yun sa amin. Ayun. So ganito po kaganda mga kaidol ang aming beach dito sa Coron, Palawan. Yan. Sobrang init lang. Sakit sa mata. Ah. Welcome to my channel mga ka-idol. So yun mga ka-idol, malapit na rin kayo mag-uwi mga ka-idol. Isang oras na po kami nag-stay dito. So yan, galing naligo doon yung guys. Nag-enjoy din yun din. How's your snorkeling ma'am? It's good? Good snorkeling? Hindi ka lang galing ka. Swerte ngayon mga kaidol, wala masyadong yes, kaya pag sagsagan mga kaidol, sobrang dami ng mga tao dito mga kaidol, kamagis mga kaidol. Yan mga kaidol, volleyball. Good sir, nice. First time here?
In this place, yes.
You live from Two Seasons?
Sorry?
The resort Two Seasons?
No. We came by
Coron?
Outrigger JLo.
Okay. You from in Coron, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And the funny lion.
Yeah, Sandy Wine.
Oh, it's fantastic here.
Yeah.
And it's good to be before the tourists.
Yeah. Also my guest I pick up from the Two Seasons.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
It's starting from Coron.
Where is it? Four season, is it?
Two Seasons?
Two season.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
The resort.
There. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do they have internet?
I think have here because very close the
I mean, also
Satellite.
in the two season, they
Yes,
have internet, yeah?
we have.
Okay.
We have Wi-Fi. I think so.
Uh-huh, okay.
Because that is a resort, so we have internet. Ayun mga kaidol, nakapag English din tayo. Dugo-dugo mga kaidol. Alis na? Alis na. Kami dito pa kami muna. Ha? Cute kayo.
Jebby, our
Hello.
digital creator and top skipper.
Thank you sir. So we go back at the Two Seasons.
Yes.
Our guests because we're really hungry.
Chip.